Rise and shine. Good morning, pumpkins! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my typical fall morning routine. So for breakfast this morning, I am whipping up some homemade pumpkin pie oatmeal. This recipe is very simple, only 5 ingredients are needed. 1 cup of water, a dash of salt, ½ cup of oats, brown sugar, and pumpkin pie spice. This is such a scrumptious recipe. It keeps me so cozy on a cold autumn morning like today. You can just eye how much brown sugar and pumpkin pie spice you would like in your oatmeal. That's what I do. Before I dig in, I'm going to make me a cup of pumpkin spice iced coffee, minus the coffee, or the ice. Psh. I'm not a huge coffee drinker, but once in a while I enjoy a seasonal flavored coffee drink. Now it's time for me to savor this delicious breakfast while looking through my Ulta holiday catalog that I received in the mail. There are so many cute holiday beauty products out at Ulta. I just can't get over how beautiful the Too Faced holiday collection is. When I am finished eating breakfast, I play Cinderella, also known as cleaning my entire home. So this next little bit is pretty self-explanatory. Once I am done cleaning, I brush my teeth and take a shower. After I shower, I always moisturize my skin with body lotion and put on a fragrance spray. Today I am using Whipped Vanilla and Spice from Bath & Body Works. This scent smells so warm and cozy, like a bakery. Once I put on my comfy outfit, I moisturize my face with my favorite moisturizer and hydrating facial mist from Garnier Skin Active. These products really help my skin to feel hydrated and smooth all day. And that is pretty much it for my typical fall morning routine. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay cozy.